A friend of mine gave me his car RAM, but there's a problem. It wouldn't fit my car. So I make a modification. This is how I fix it. I built the RAM using two pieces of 2 by 10 by 4 feet long pressure treated lumber I found it in my garden. And they work out just perfectly. After I finished the build, I noticed there was deflection at the ram, so I added a beam under it to take the load. Now there is no more deflection. This mod works for my Toyota Sienna. If the car is lower, you will have to increase the length of the ram. The purpose of the blockings are to keep the plank from moving. Here are some dimensions. When not in use, I stack them together. There you have it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.